scoop of ice cream or something for you, but I thought this would be a little better.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Happy birthday.
We
gotta do a little cheers.
Did you all want to see a dessert menu, or did we?
No, I think this is good. Thank you. Grandmama.
Start here and just push that long one. Because you got this stuff on the screen. Okay, up a little, ladies. Up. Okay, y'all ready?
Oh, that's cute.
I'm playing with my friend.
Look at her getting in front of us. Good morning, happy, oh, y'all rocking, y'all on the tripod and it's rocking. Happy Friday, it's 7:41. I am now exporting a video that I edited. I filmed it this morning. It's a video for Instagram, not even for TikTok. Can y'all believe it? But I already posted one on TikTok because I went to Zara yesterday. I had to go into the office. I had to do like a training at 2 o'clock, so I decided to just hang out until work was done. It was from 2 to 3. Anyway, I think y'all saw a little clip yesterday. I stopped in Zara since I was already over there after work, and I was like, let me just see what they got. I've made it a habit of not really going into the stores. I don't really go on their site anymore, just because it's not that there's plenty of stuff to buy. Like, there was plenty of stuff in the store yesterday that I would buy, but not stuff that I necessarily like just needed. And I feel like stores like Zara, Mango, stores like that, it's easier because, I mean, even though it can get expensive, it's not like a, say, Aritzia expensive, which is also overpriced in my opinion, but that's neither here nor there. It's not an Aritzia expensive where it will like stop you in your tracks. So you'll see something that's cute enough that'll work, you know, for something in Zara, and you may walk out of there spending a few $100s when that wasn't your intention, just because they had something that was like good. So I tend to not go into places like that because, yeah, so I went in Ghana and spent $600 on a pan. I went in Zara and just picked up a bunch of bullshit for the sake of picking up the bullshit and spent $600 too. Anyway, I did buy this belt, and I specifically bought it because I bought these jeans here, which give me very much R13. Y'all know I love R13. I had a few pieces from there, but I completely, like, they were like a 26. Baby, I ain't never getting back in no 26. Maybe like a 27, 28. They were too little. I'm never getting back into that. So when I saw these, I was like, oh, those give me very like R13 vibes, like grungy, oversized. They have like they have really good rips in them. Like, the rips make sense in the denim. There's like a rip right here. I hate when rips be like right under the booty. I like them right like on this side of the thigh. Anyway, I picked them up. They're true to size. They're a size 10. I didn't have to size up on them because they were already pretty baggy. Like, when I looked at the waist, I was like, oh, this is a big ass waist for a size 10. So I know I'm not gonna need to oversize, size up on these. And they're low waist too. So if you're not into the low waist, then don't fool with these. Anyway, I got those, and then I got this belt because they had it wrapped around the pants they had it wrapped around the jeans on the rack, and I thought it came together, and I was like, oh, that gives very R13. I get up close, of course they don't come together. I gotta buy the belt separately, but I don't want the pants without the belt because it gives a look. So I ended up buying both of them. This was $49.90, these were $59.90. So I spent $100. See what I'm saying? That's why I'll do it. But anyway, I really am excited about this. Like, even when it gets cold outside, I think it'd be really cute to wear like some black tights under it, and you can see like the black peeking through. The belt, like my like my rubber sole, like cape boots. They're sort of like a lug style boot. Like a hoodie or like an oversized flannel and like a leather jacket would be so dope with this. So anyway, I picked it up. Now I have to get ready for work. I have a training at 10 o'clock, so I'm gonna prepare for that. I typically, even though I trained this same thing yesterday, I had an in-person training yesterday, I have a virtual training today that I have to facilitate, is what I'm saying. I still like to do prep. You just never know. Like, you know, plus I take notes that I got yesterday from feedback and then incorporate it into what I do today. So I'm gonna log into work in about 15 minutes at 7:45. And I'm gonna work, and then I'm gonna do my training, and then work, because I have to work for the rest of the day. I actually am getting a new computer next week. My desktop on my work computer looks terrible. Like, it is shit everywhere. So I'm going to spend the rest, because it's going to take me the rest of the day to move go through all those files, move them all to like OneDrive, the ones that I need to keep, before I have to go turn in my old computer on Wednesday to get my new. I'm so happy. I've been with this, it's almost it'll be 4 years, January 4th. And I'd had this same computer in this time, because she be, baby, blacking out and all that type of stuff. So, got kind of a busy day. I'm keeping this. All bubble wrap needed.
I wish people did. This is crazy, but as a rich mom who has a college-age daughter,
Ooh.
who might be interested in
More perfume.
But I wish people did like sorority consulting. It's not something you can really talk about online, because black sororities and fraternities, they don't like that. They you know, they.
Ooh, it smell good. I can smell it through his hand.
I'm like, as a mom who lives in New York City, where you can just,
Ooh.
you can literally, like,
It's a little
you try to get into a private school,
girly. Oh, it smell good
tell
though.
you how to do it.
I like that.
Or, you know what I'm saying? I just wish HBCU, Divine Nine.
It smells fruity. Oh, berries, 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 Angela.
You know what I'm saying? And I'm sure
That smells good.
like,
We'll get back into that a little later.
You were like even temperament.
Ooh, that perfume smells so good.
You know, healthy, amazing relationship. I could start $1 billion business.
You know what time it is.
Like, speaking. I know what she has to do. You know you have to be in organizations. You have to go to the 52 women, to be exact. 452 women to be. Where is your mama? Where is your mama, child? Russell's a sin. Right. They think Russell is like what's gonna save the black community. They were socialized to be, you know what I'm saying? So they won't have a full set of time. They won't have FaceTime.
Woo! Oh, that's the wrong one.
For everything. They Windex in the mirrors. Because they done forgot. When I tell you, I'm like, go downstairs and give me a snack. I'm in the bed. He's never in his life seen me eat cashews and pistachios. Why are you bringing cashews and pistachios? Okay. I think my husband thinks there are things that I don't necessarily like, but it's still acceptable. One, and he's just like, I saw it, but I didn't know if you want. Why didn't you know? I put it in the email. I need you to send the one. Tech shop, man. I'm gonna be an L. Call the thing a thing, okay? I said that at some point, y'all do know that we have to fight that fight for child. I wasn't trying to, I told black women been told y'all, I'm minding my 92% business. Y'all getting on my 92% nerves now. Well, black women been told y'all, I miss Barack Obama. What do y'all think this is going? People like, they're trying to bait us. Every time I get on TikTok, and they're like, oh, they're trying to bait us. They're trying to...
I wonder if I can use this for my perfume in the new apartment. Let's see.
This is just wanna do it for you. I'ma make time be crazy.
Wouldn't that be cute? Like if I hang this in my closet. Good morning, happy Saturday. I didn't just get back, I've been back. I actually have made a full I got so much food, but I'm starving. Am I the only person that like my eggs what I call dirty? So like after I fried the potatoes, I put a little butter in the pan and then cook the eggs in like the like bits that the potato leave at the bottom of the skillet. I like a little dirty potato every once in a while. Anyway, I have made a full breakfast. These are peanut butter blueberry protein pancakes. I didn't have a protein shake today, so I need to get my protein in. Some dirty eggs and then some potatoes on the side. I'm starving. I didn't took no shower yet. I came home stripped out of those clothes so I wouldn't be sitting around my house in those clothes that I've been all over that studio floor with. I feel like I'm living in the trenches right now because I've done a lot of packing. Like the entire kitchen is packed up. All of the cabinets are empty. The bottom under the sink is empty for the most part. Just a few skillets and stuff that I'm using for the next 2 weeks. The bathroom is pretty much packed up. Yeah, I was not playing around. So anyway, I don't have nothing planned today. I'm gonna sit down and try to finish this chapter that I'm working on for the book. I got stuck and I walked away from it. So the last couple of days I've sort of been thinking on it, and I think I got a good place of how to like wrap it up. So I'm gonna try to write that out today. And that's really it. I want to go see him, but I don't like seeing scary movies, even if it's not like killer scary. I don't like seeing scary movies in general by myself. Knew I was wrong. Come on, Nita.
Risky because you never know what you're getting yourself into. Yes, you do see about me. Do I care? No, because I will be a baddie when I land. Hello. Getting to the airport early is not my strong suit, but I did not pay for this flight, so I had to make sure I was on time. And I know it was going to be a good day when I barely seen a line at the TSA pre-check. Whenever I get flown out by a person I have never met before, baby, I'm so honored to be there. Like, you really want me in the room? I always feel so seen. It was all there, and it definitely was. Serving face with a bonnie. Talk about cutting teeth. And we finally touched down in Dallas, Texas. And y'all, my new friend, she hooked me up with this gorgeous hotel. Listen, when I meet new friends and they treat me like this, oh baby, it makes me want to keep making new friends.
If you are going to come onto the internet, the interwebs, and speak about pretty privilege and how it affects you, you need to be in the realm of pretty privilege. You need to at least have one of those P's, the pretty or the privilege. And if you don't have either, you need to sit back and shut the fuck up. This is exactly why I agree with Cardi when she said, I hate bitches that think they're pretty because they're light-skinned. Because it's facts. You think that you're pretty because you're light-skinned. It's not because you actually are pretty. You have a conversation and say, yeah, girl, I don't like you because you just look so much better than me. Or are you assuming? 9 times out of 10, you're assuming. And to have such a undeveloped frontal lobe mindset at the ripe age of 47, it's a bit insane. It's a bit insane when you take a step back and realize this is a grown-ass woman.
Obsessed with Amy Winehouse. She had a Capricorn moon. That's just an example of some people who musically I really align with because they have the same moon sign as me. All for a different vibe. I say this to say, the way that Cardi B is popping her shit on this album as an Aries moon is good to my Aries sun soul. It just is. It just is. It just is.
Happy Monday. As y'all can see, the walls are bald because I took all the art down. The one from over my bed is down. Everything is down. I've wrapped it up and bubble wrap and paper and plastic and all of that type of stuff to make sure it's safe. It's Monday. I just wrapped work up. I'm about to head to Trader Joe's. Y'all know the sun is going down quickly these days. It is the first day of fall. It is the 22nd. Yeah, the first day of fall. Before I go, I wanted to show y'all that I also started packing up the closet. I started with the shoes. So I have some of these bags from like 3 moves ago, but they're full of like clothes and all that type of stuff, pillows, So I ordered some more, and all of my shoes that was up here, the shoe boxes, I think I got like maybe 6 shoe boxes in each bag. So shoes in that, and then I have 2 back here, and then I have this one, and then I have this one that's not completely full because the shoes that are in here, I have a couple shoe boxes in there, but the rest is just like free form shoes and shoes that I'm going to be like wearing over the next couple weeks, and then some additional shoe options for the next couple weeks, and then when I'm ready to move, I'll just pack them into that one. So we were making progress. I honestly think I'm gonna be ghetto because I was gonna buy some of those like wardrobe racks. I did that last time, but I looked at my Amazon purchase and they were like $40 a piece. I'm like, I'm not doing that. So I might just put these bitches in, hook this in a trash bag and pack it that way. Baby, I'm not paying 40 Zahairs per thing. Anyway, I've been working, just checking in. I know this vlog is a little skeet, but I didn't do much. I was in here packing because I move in, well, it's less than 2 weeks, a little under 2 weeks. So not this Saturday, but the Saturday after. And so I just needed to get focused and get her done. But here I am. We'll go to Trader Joe's, see what we can get. I want to make that shrimp dish that I made a few clips ago, or was it the last clip? Either way, somebody on TikTok was like, you should just do some shrimp, like saute some shrimp with some butter. I didn't use butter because trying to get snatched, but some shrimp with like some butter over some hummus and just eat pita bread. But I didn't have any pita bread. I had rice, so I'm gonna buy some pita bread. I'm gonna try with the pita bread, just scoop the shrimp and the hummus up with the pita. Yeah, I'm about to do that. And then, you know, I have rice, so then I'll have rice if I want to do it with the rice again, because that was also really good. And then I added chili crunch. She didn't say add chili crunch. I added chili crunch, and that made it so good. So I'm gonna run to Trader Joe's, get some groceries for the week, because I didn't do it over the weekend. When I move into my new apartment, it is my goal to start back getting groceries and all of that stuff on the weekend, so I'm not like rushing after work on Monday or Tuesday or whatever to get groceries. This shirt is black, but if it were not, you would see how wet it. I am soaked. It's not even hot outside, and yet I'm sweating like a hot fucking pig, and I'm sick of it. I am tired. We in the trenches. We are in the trenches. I'm eating this Greek salad, and I had such a taste for some hot wings. Look at how I'm living. So I just got the frozen hot wings from Trader Joe's, and I'm eating them on side of this Greek salad because I honestly didn't feel like cooking. So I just grabbed some quick stuff for dinner tonight. I threw those in the oven. I'm eating this, and that's it. And that's it for this vlog. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. All of my links to all of my things are in the description box below. Do me a favor. Go to my podcast YouTube page. It is Write This Down Podcast here on YouTube. Give it a like. Give it a follow. Watch the episodes. Give us some feedback. Follow us on Instagram. Please and thank you. We got a new episode coming out Wednesday. And we're talking about adult friendship, which is really... It's a really good episode. Other than that, I'll be back after this move with longer, I'm assuming, regularly scheduled like vlogs and videos and stuff like that. I don't know if there's going to be a Friday, a Thursday video. It's a mess in here, but you know, I may be able to like do something. It likely won't be another Sunday chat until after I move, because I feel disrupted and out of place. Anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye. I hit the spot. I should have put some hot sauce on there. Some hot sauce on my chicken wings, baby.